Hi everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an animated opening envelope in Canva. First, open Canva, select social media, and choose Instagram Story. Go to the Elements tab, select Frames, and search for Arrow Block Right Frame. Choose the frame and adjust the size according to your design. From the top right menu, choose Corner Rounding and adjust it however you like. Then add a rectangle frame and resize it. Go to Position, Layers, and move this rectangle to the bottom layer. Select the top frame, go to Effects, and choose Drop Shadow. Adjust the settings until you get the look you want. Next, duplicate the top frame and rotate it. Go back to corner rounding and set it to 0. Then, go to Effects and increase the blur to create a softer look. Now, go to the Elements tab and search for sandpaper. Choose your favorite texture and add it to the frames. Then search for black paper. Go to the Photos section, choose the image you like, and add it to the frame. Add a new page and move the black paper frame to the second page. Then click Share, Download. Choose PNG as the file type, check Transparent Background, and download it. Repeat the same process for the second page. Add one more page and upload the 2 images you just downloaded. Arrange them correctly, then download this page as a PNG file. Now, select the first image and go to Animation, Create an Animation. Hold your mouse over the image and drag it to the left to create the opening movement. Hold the Shift key on your keyboard whilst dragging to create a straight line. Next, upload the final image you downloaded and adjust the size. Right-click on the image and choose Show Elements Timing. Now search for Wax Seal. Adjust the size and place it on your envelope. Click on the wax seal and adjust its timing. We want the wax seal to disappear first, followed by the top envelope. Next, go to Position and select the bottom images. Adjust their timing as well. To test your animation, click Duration and press play. If you want the envelope to open faster, simply reduce the timing of the elements and adjust the page duration. You can save this design as a master template and keep it like this. Every time you need a new envelope, you only have to replace the images inside the frames, and you will have a brand new animated envelope. Now, make a copy of the template. In the copied version, delete the extra 2 pages by selecting the pages and pressing backspace on your keyboard. Finally, preview your design, and that's it. Your animated opening envelope is ready. If you don't like the style, you can use 2 triangle frames to create a different look. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!